Best soldering equipment. Soldering is a very intricate process used to join two materials without fusing them. Unlike welding, it does not melt the metals. Instead, it melts solder filler material and joins the two metals. When we say soldering, we usually mean in the context of electronics where we solder the electronic components onto a PhD. Since all the components are tiny, to perform soldering effectively, you have to equip yourself with the right set of tools, accessories. Apart from electronics, we also use soldering in different industries such as plumbing, automotive repairs, and making jewelry. You cannot use the same set of tools for all soldering applications. Depending on the materials, their chemical composition, and size, you need to choose the right set of tools. The choice also depends upon your skill in soldering. Here is a comprehensive list of all the best equipment you need for soldering works. 1. Soldering station. 2. Soldering iron. 3. Soldering gun. 4. Desoldering station. 5. Soldering pencil. 6. Butane soldering iron.